Hi there, I just wanted to show how you can make a layout relatively quickly and easily with LightSands. First, I'm loading in a background image. In this case, it's like a parking lot and it doesn't have a scale in it, so I can make up a scale. So let's say I measure one of the widths of this parking, and let's say I knew it was 8 feet. So now it just scaled my drawing. I could go ahead and let's say I wanted to put in a calc grid. I could just go ahead and pick it here. And now that I've drawn this grid like here, I can look at some of its attributes, like maybe the calc grid is closer to the ground and maybe the point spacing is going to be wider for the parking lot. So once I have this, I can go ahead and pick some fixtures, and we have some in our library. This Beacon Viper should do well. And if I go ahead and start placing it, this is sort of a cartoony map here. I'm just going to randomly drop these fixtures in, and I'm not sure if I'm getting them all. I'm just kind of picking a few of them. And there they are. The heights aren't correct, so they're probably more like 20 feet, let's just say. And if we wanted to, we could take a look at the schedule and change that default light loss factor. Let's just hit it at 1. Let's be very simple with that. So now that we have this all assigned, we can go ahead and run a calc. And let's do it with some color, and that's how easy it is to make a calculation here in LightSanza. So if we wanted to, we could do things like change the height of them, of the mounting height of these fixtures, and if we wanted to, we could actually run a second calculation at the same time. Depending on how many engines you have, one of them may just say it's waiting until the other one finishes, but if you have a couple engines, you could run them both. You can also make in 3D here, you can actually make a rendering of this. So the outdoor renderings are going to require a little more TLC, and it still thinks I'm placing one, but this actual fixture came in from the manufacturer as a Revit family, and so you can save Revit families into LightSanza if you upload them through Revit and then save them into your library. So if I go ahead and make a rendering, I'll see something there. So these two calculations finished, and this was, let's say, 24-foot height, and this is now, let's just say 20-foot mounting height, and you can even compare these two. So you could look at one versus the other. You can see the difference numerically and visually. You can also share this report with someone, and if you want to, you can just see these also in 3D. So this is what it looks like in, or I guess 2D, I'm sorry, or 3D if you wanted to. So this is the 2D view, and this is now it's preparing a 3D view, and you can change your color bounds like that. And finally, this is just a quick and dirty rendering. Okay, thanks.